What is a universe? A universe is a group of galaxies, the stars, the solar system, the planets, everything which are being combined to a single ball which we call the universe. Now how the universe is formed? Everybody says that universe is formed with a Big Bang. Now how the Big Bang is formed? So the answer is, I will explain it with an example. Now on this side, here I have an egg. Now for suppose, what happens if the egg is broken from outside? Does the chick come outside? No, the yellow yolk come outside and there is no existing of life. Now for suppose, what happens if the egg is broken from inside? Yes, the chick come outside and there exists a life. The same thing happened to our universe also. The whole particles, the denser particles which are being concentrated into a single ball, which we call it as a singularity, and they are being compressed with high amount of particles which are being compressed, and they are being very cooled state. Now that we call it as Hiranyagarbha. In Sanskrit we call it as Hiranyagarbha. Now some natural energy, some natural force has been pushed the particle, one of the particle which is present inside the ball of egg of the universe, we call it as the egg of the universe, and one particle when to be collide with another particle, there exists a kinetic energy is been formed. Now that particle has been collided with another particle, and that particle with another particle. Now all the particles has been collided with each other and forms kinetic energy, and a huge amount of heat is being generated. Now the egg, the universe egg which is present inside, as all the particles are being collided with each other, releases a huge amount of energy, breaks the egg and forms an explosion, which we call it as Vispotam in a Sanskrit. Now this Vispotam, this explosion, the particles which were present inside the denser particles has been splitted up throughout the whole universe, and all those particles are being combined with each other to form the atoms, and those atoms combine to form the molecules, and the molecules combine to form matter, and that matter we have the solid, liquid and gases. And now today the whole universe which we are seeing is from that Big Bang. And the universe is formed about 13.2 billion years, and still the universe is been expanding. So when it was exploded, till now the universe is been expanding, and it has been expanding for 13.2 billion years. Now, do we have a single universe? The answer is no, we don't have a single universe. So we don't have a single Big Bang. So we have many Big Bangs and many universes which we call it as multiverse. In other case we can call it as a parallel universe. And today we are going to discuss about the parallel universe. So welcome to our channel Physics for AP, and today's episode is about the parallel universe and the types of parallel universe. Let us discuss in our today's episode 3, the parallel universe.
Like a Hellcat.
Do we have the proof of the parallel universe? According to the scientific theory, we don't have any proof of the parallel universe. Then, how this parallel universe concept came from? So the parallel universe concept came in 1954 by Princeton University Dr. Brane, and he had described about the parallel universe, and he says that all these parallel universes are being connected to each other. But before, thousands of years ago, that means 3,000 of years ago, we have a proof of the parallel universe which is been hidden in the Vedas. So Rig Vedas. So if you study the book of the Vedic physics, it was written by Keshav Dev Varma. So in this book, it has been clearly explained about the Rig Veda concept. So in this book, it has been given the existence of the Big Bang theory. That is, what is before the Big Bang theory and what is after the Big Bang theory. So before the Big Bang theory, it was called as Hiranyagarbha, and after the Big Bang theory, which is called as the Vispotam. And also there is a proof of the existence of parallel universe. And what is the proof is that we have a written conversation between Lord Krishna and Brahma. Now, it happened like that. So in Vrindavana, Lord Krishna was playing with his friends. So Lord Brahma seeing that, so he planned to kidnap his friends, that is Lord Krishna's friend, and let us see what Krishna will do after that. So the Brahma had kidnapped all those children and he's taken to his place and he's hidden them and make them sleep for a year, 1 year. And when he returned back again to Burloka, and he saw that his children are still playing with Lord Krishna, Brahma was astonished and he was very sorry to say that to Lord Krishna that what he has done. He has been very shameful for what he has done. And that conversation, we have a animated clip from a movie of Little Krishna, and I'm going to present it to you now.
Oh Lord, how have I got myself into this fix? Already 1 year has passed on earth. Let me go to Vrindavan and find out what Krishna is up to, having lost the boys and calves. How can this be? The cowherd boys are asleep in the clouds, and the calves hidden away in the happy dreamland. How can they all be here, playing with Krishna? What is this? And how is my Lord Vishnu here? I am Brahma. Who are all these Brahmas? What is going on? Oh Lord, what is going on? Oh, my Lord, my Lord, my Lord, what have I done? What have I done? Forgive me, my dear Lord.
Chaturmukha Brahma, I am here to answer your prayer as I had promised. Alas, even such a powerful person as yourself has fallen into illusion and forgotten the absolute truth. I know you are my devotee and have no envy in your heart for me. So, I have made this elaborate arrangement to teach you the entire truth. Behold, I have summoned Brahmas of different universes so you may understand the complete truth about yourself. Of the thousands of universes, you are in charge of just one. There are bigger universes than yours, and Brahmas more powerful than yourself. Things are much bigger and more complex than you can possibly imagine.
My Lord, I am an insignificant glowworm before you, whose brilliance is more than 1,000 suns. But how is it that your simple friends of Vrindavan are not bewildered by your great feats? They just adore you as their darling boy.
Their love is pure and intense, Brahma. Whatever I do, however small or big, they simply love me. I cannot be understood simply by Vedic knowledge or yogic meditation. I can be understood only by love and devotion.
O Krishna, origin of all Vishnus, O Master, please forgive my grave offense. You have mercifully revealed yourself to me, and I am eternally grateful to you. May I always remember and cherish you in this beautiful boyish form, playing with your friends and calves, and remember what a big fool I have been.
My dear friends, how long will you stay asleep? It's time to return home.
This is a structure of a universe according to the Hindu text, and we'll be having an episode upon this also. So according to the ancient Hindu text of Bhagavad Puranam of the 5th canto, the God had said like that: I, the supreme God of all realities, created many universes like the one which you are in. Some of them have started now, and some of them are more powerful than yours. So according to this, we can say that there are many universes and which are more powerful than us, than our universe, and where the laws of physics cannot hold and we cannot imagine the power of it. So whatever may be the shape is, all the universes are connected to each other. Now let us discuss about the different types of multiverse. So according to Greene, a theoretical physicist, explains that we have different 9 types of parallel universes which are being existed. So we don't have any proof of those parallel universes, but it has been an assumption, a hypothetical theory that which comes from a string theory. So we'll be explaining the string theory in the next episode with clear explanation. Now let us discuss about the different types of multiverse. So our universe is so vast with more number of galaxies, the clusters, and all these are combined to form a single universe. But our universe is not a single. So there are many universes, and in that universes also there are many galaxies and Earth. Now let us discuss about the types of the multiverse. The Quilted Universe. So this is like quite parallel to each other, and there are more number of universes which are infinite times. So there are infinite number of galaxies, infinite number of Earths, so infinite number of people, and there are infinite number of you in the different universes. So they are being same identical like you, but with different characteristics, and all these universes are connected to each other, and it takes more than 10 power 120 light years to travel from one universe to another quilted universe. And these all quilted universes are being connected to each other. So this is about the quilted universe. The inflationary multiverse is a model which is based upon the concept of eternal inflation. So when the Big Bang occurred, so not only our universe, there are many universes which occurred like a Big Bang. So if you consider it as an ocean, so there you see the number of Big Bangs occurring, and there the universes are being formed out like a bubbles. So these universes expand more and more and burst off again. They happen a Big Bang, and the properties are being very different from one universe to another universes.
the Brane multiverse. So we are living in a world of three-dimensional, that is X, Y and Z axis. Do we have another axis? So that can be explained in form of string theory. So all the strings which are present here, they occurred as like a membrane, and these have a spatial dimension. That means they have 10 dimensions in each of the universe, just like a three-dimensional book which is having a two-dimensional paper. So we are living in a universe of 10 dimension. So if we consider our universe and the galaxies, all these are been considered just like a library where we keep the books. So this is what we call the Brane multiverse. The Cyclic Universe. So the universe which is in the cyclic form. So after one big bang, it expands, again it blows up, again forms a universe. So after the big bang, the galaxies, the stars and solar system, all they have been expanded to the maximum level. Again they are been crunched out, that means they are been contracted again, and all these are been again formed to a big crunch. Again it starts the formation of the universe. And the fifth type is the landscape universe. So the landscape multiverse arises from the combination of string theory and internal inflation theory. So the string theory landscape proposes the possibilities of different fundamental laws and cosmological constant. So here the internal inflation of the multiverse, that is the bubbles, are being emerged from the decaying of region of a false vacuum with different and distinct physical parameters from ours. That means they have different laws of physics when compared to our universes. The quantum multiverse. So this type of multiverse is often mentioned as the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. So these based upon the quantum theory, that is about the quantum level of the subatomic particles, and the splitting of the universe is hypothesis in this quantum universe. So instead of collapse of a wave function of an electron, according to the hypothesis, an identical electron in another universe comes into existence. So the both outcomes occur just in the separate worlds. So like there are infinite possibilities, like if you see just now the film, a movie film, that a cat, it may die or may be alive, which occurs a infinite possibilities, just like what you see in the Avenger 4 movie. The seventh type is the holographic multiverse. The holographic multiverse is ideal spirals from the holographic principles, which suggest that there exists a physical equivalent universe on the edge of our universe which is virtually identical in every sense. So these are just like the holograms, like the how we are in this universe, the same will be in the that holographic universe, but they will be in the form of holograms. The eighth type of universe, that is the simulation multiverse. So this is quite interesting one. So where the whole universe is based upon the computer programming. For example, the life which we are living here might be programmed by any other 12 years old who have been sitting in other universe playing like a game, and we in this universe are playing a game, like example a temple run. So the person who is running in the temple run game, the person could be in the reality in the other universe, and we are been programming him. So this universe is a technically highly advanced programming universe. And the last ninth universe is the ultimate universe. So in this universe where the laws of physics are beyond to our mind, so where the laws of physics cannot be held here, So it has been very advanced technology where the people living in this universe are highly knowledgeable, intelligible, and the properties of the human who have been living there are quite different when compared to us. Just like the Asgard in the Avengers movie, you see the Asgard. So the Asgard people who are being different when compared to the humans who have been living in the earth. So they are quite different properties, and the laws of physics are beyond to them, and they have high and more powerful than the universe which we are living in.
So these are the different types of parallel universes which was explained in string theory, and we have the antimatter particles also. Like for example, for electron we have a positron, and proton we have antiproton. Now what happens when a matter and antimatter combines together? So when a matter and antimatter combines together, they annihilate, that means they convert into energy and escape into the universe. The same thing also if we take the formation of our universe. The formation of our universe happened with a matter which is a highly dense particles which are present. Now there could be an antimatter or antiparticle of these, and there could be another Big Bang, that means there could be another universe which are be made up of these antiparticles. So by this thinking they came to know about the existence of the parallel universe, but still there are no certain proofs for it, but definitely one day we will get to know the proofs of this parallel universe. And what do you think about the existence of the parallel universe? Do you think these universes are existing? So if you think which are correct and which are wrong, please give your valuable comment under the comment section. And in our next episode we will be discussing about my research work which I have done for 5 years, that is the dream theory. So in this dream theory we will be having the exact proof of the existence of the parallel universe. Even you also may feel that thing, but you cannot know that it is happening or not. So that we'll be discussing in our next episode, and share it to your friends, share the knowledge, and let us discuss about the parallel universe under the comment section box. And thank you for watching the video.